AI is one of the most transformative technologies of our time, but its development is still in its early stages. While developers and organizations build the foundations, users play an equally vital role by training and interacting with these systems to improve their accuracy, fairness, and usefulness. Let's explore how your input helps AI evolve, along with two essential ethical frameworks, consequentialism and deontological ethics, that guide responsible AI development. 1. AI in its infancy. Why user interaction matters. AI systems are built using vast amounts of data and algorithms that process patterns. However, they can't fully understand the world without human guidance. In fact, much of AI's improvement depends on active feedback loops where users correct errors and provide new data for the system to learn from. How users shape AI. 1. When users flag mistakes, like incorrect assumptions or responses, AI systems are updated with better data to avoid repeating those errors. 2. The more diverse interactions AI has, the better it becomes at recognizing different perspectives, needs, and cultural contexts. Example: if an AI mistakenly assumes that someone is frustrated based on repeated instructions, a user can correct that assumption. Over time, these corrections help the AI recognize situations where assumptions might not be appropriate. 2. Shared responsibility. Developers, organizations, and users. Developers and companies lay the groundwork for AI systems, but their models are not perfect. Ethical AI requires collaboration between three key stakeholders. 1. Developers. They design the algorithms and determine how the AI learns. 2. Organizations. Companies deploying AI are responsible for monitoring and refining it based on real-world usage. 3. Users. By interacting with AI systems and giving feedback, users influence how those systems evolve. Without active user participation, errors and biases can go unnoticed and persist. However, it is also unethical to place all responsibility on users. Developers must ensure transparency and provide tools to make feedback accessible and impactful. 3. Exploring consequentialism. Evaluating AI's outcomes. Consequentialism is an ethical theory that focuses on the outcomes or consequences of actions. In the context of AI, this means developers and users should prioritize minimizing harm and maximizing positive outcomes for society. How it applies to AI. 1. Developers must constantly evaluate whether the AI's actions lead to helpful or harmful consequences. 2. If an AI incorrectly influences decisions, such as promoting misinformation, it can have far-reaching negative consequences. Example: an AI recommending news articles might unintentionally create an echo chamber if it only shows users content that reinforces their biases. Under consequentialism, developers have a duty to design algorithms that prioritize diverse, reliable information to avoid such harmful outcomes. User responsibility. Users can also mitigate harm by critically engaging with AI's outputs, questioning recommendations, identifying potential biases, and providing feedback to improve outcomes. 4. Deontological ethics. The duty to act ethically. Unlike consequentialism, deontological ethics emphasizes duties and principles rather than outcomes. This framework asserts that certain actions are inherently right or wrong, regardless of their consequences. Key principles for AI. 1. AI should never intentionally deceive users about its capabilities. 1. For example, it should clearly state that it lacks emotions or consciousness. 2. Developers have a duty to ensure that AI systems respect user autonomy and privacy. Example: it would be unethical for an AI system to pretend it understands human emotions when it does not. Transparency about AI's limitations is a core principle under deontological ethics. User responsibility. Users also have a duty to engage with AI ethically, for example, by avoiding manipulative prompts designed to exploit or deceive the system. 5. Balancing both ethical frameworks. AI development involves a balance between consequentialism and deontology. Developers and users must weigh both outcomes and principles to ensure AI is both effective and ethical. Example of balancing ethics: suppose an AI offers personalized financial advice. A purely consequentialist approach might optimize for the highest returns, even if it involves risky strategies. A deontological approach, however, would emphasize honesty and transparency about risks, ensuring users can make informed decisions. Both perspectives are essential to guide AI responsibly. 6. How you can contribute to ethical AI development. As an AI user, you have the power to shape how these systems evolve. Here's how you can help. 1. Provide feedback, correct errors and share constructive criticism to improve AI responses. 2. Engage thoughtfully. recognize that AI is a tool, not a replacement for critical thinking. 3. Advocate for transparency, support initiatives that demand clear, ethical AI practices from developers and organizations. By doing this, you contribute to a future where AI serves humanity responsibly. Conclusion: AI's evolution depends on a partnership between developers, organizations, and users. While developers build the foundation, users play a crucial role in training AI to make better, more ethical decisions. Understanding key ethical frameworks like consequentialism and deontology can help you navigate this relationship responsibly. Have you ever noticed mistakes in AI systems? How did you handle them? Share your experiences in the comments. If you found this video insightful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on AI, ethics, and personal growth.